In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite go-to healthy, easy green smoothie recipe inspired by Kimberly Snyder's book, The Beauty Detox Foods. A link to the full recipe will be provided in the description box below for you.
The ingredients you need are 2 cups of baby spinach, 1 cup of chopped romaine lettuce, half a cup of chopped celery, 1 small pear chopped or half of a large one. I'm using 1 small pear, half of a banana, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Me personally, I like to use half of a lemon and I juice the whole half of that lemon. And 1 cup of filtered or spring water. Combine all the ingredients in a high-speed blender. I am using my NutriBullet as this is a serving size for 1. And quick tip: if you like your smoothies on with a smoother consistency, blend it until like for a little bit longer. Now, if you don't like it, if you like it chunky, then just blend it a little bit. But me personally, I like mine like blended smoothly, so that's why it's still going, as you can see. But that's just me. But you do whatever works best for you. Okay, I love to start my day off with this easy, healthy, delicious green smoothie recipe.
Quick tip: make sure that your pear and your banana are like super ripe because that's going to add the sweetness to your smoothie. I know this is a different type of video for me, but I want to hear from you. So comment below and let me know if you want more smoothie recipe videos. Hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos coming your way to help you make yourself a priority.